a 40-footer container number MAEU 165396, which originated from Turkey. And based on a number of risk factors associated with this importation, it became a subject of interest for the Nigeria Customs Service. We had followed its sale across continents as we benefited immensely from credible information produced through our collaboration with intelligence communities, both at the local, national, and international levels. Working within our local structures in Nigeria, we followed diligently as the importer of this container attempted to circumvent our procedure through the outlet of a private bonded terminal. And so on Friday, 21st of June 2024, the suspicious container was subjected to thorough physical examination. The result revealed the following alarming contents. Number one, we had inside the container 844 units of assorted rifles. Number two, 112,500 pieces of live ammunition. And I'd just like to quickly break the numbers down. The numbers include 764 units of Tomahawk Joseph Magnum Black Pump Action Rifles, 10 units of Venom Caron Gunmaker Joseph Magnum Silver Pump Action Rifles, 50 units of Veni Cannon Gunmaker Double Barrel Rifles, 20 units of Veni Cannon Gunmaker Single Barrel Rifles, and 5 exclusive series Sterling high quality live ammunitions in 34-gram category, 34 to 35 plastic shotgun shells in 70 mm. These rifles and ammunitions were concealed using various items such as doors, furniture, plumbing fittings, and leather bags. The duty paid value, if we are to calculate the value and the duty paid of the container itself, is estimated at 4,171,710,000 naira only. In connection with this seizure,